The old house, nestled in the quiet embrace of rural Washington, had served its purpose. It had offered solace and space, a sprawling canvas for two souls and their canine companions to wander. Yet, as the city's hum grew louder, a different kind of longing began to stir within them. Seattle, with its burgeoning culture and vibrant pulse, called them back. The peaceful solitude of their former life was undeniably cherished, but the house itself, oversized for their needs, felt less like a sanctuary and more like an empty echo. Their vision for a new home was clear, a distillation of their lifestyle, a perfectly tailored vessel for their tastes and daily rituals. They sought not just a house, but a feeling, a tangible calmness, integrated with the landscape. The chosen site, Helen Street, sat on the northern edge of Madison Valley, bordering the wild beauty of the Washington Park Arboretum. It offered the best of both worlds, the tranquility of nature at their doorstep and the bustling village center just a short stroll away. Early conversations with Mork's architecture plus design revolved around simplicity. A modern structure, clean lines, and a palette of pure, unadorned materials. The budget was modest, yet their aspirations were grand, a home bathed in light, offering both privacy and expansive views of the surrounding greenery. The concept that emerged from these discussions was born from the premise of quiet integration, transforming the challenges of an urban corner lot into opportunities for ingenuity. At the heart of the design, literally and figuratively, was a central courtyard. This open-air oasis became the organizational hub, drawing natural light and private outdoor space deep into the home's core. It was a clever response to the urban setting, offering a secluded haven amidst the city's energy. The sunnier southern and western edges of the property were thoughtfully reserved for gardens, ensuring a constant connection to nature and a vibrant, ever-changing backdrop. The architects meticulously considered sightlines. Territorial view corridors dictated where the house could be most transparent, allowing light and landscape to flood the interior, and where privacy was paramount. This thoughtful approach created a dynamic interplay between openness and seclusion, ensuring comfort without sacrificing connection to the surroundings. The material palette, a testament to their shared vision of purity and quiet elegance, was refreshingly simple. The main level, largely encased in glass, blurred the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Solid volumes, crisply detailed in cement panels, provided a grounding contrast. Floating above, the roof plane and master suite were clad in naturally weathered cedar planks, their rustic charm softening the modern aesthetic. Anchoring the house around the courtyard, the outdoor chimney and garden shed stood as powerful sculptural elements. Clad in heavy, reclaimed timbers, stacked and blackened, they offered a visceral sense of permanence and history, a deliberate counterpoint to the lightness of the glass and cedar. This combination of materials, both refined and raw, spoke volumes about the homeowner's appreciation for authenticity and natural beauty. What truly set this project apart was the deep collaboration between the architects and the owners, with one of the clients even managing and building the project themselves. This hands-on involvement ensured an unprecedented level of integration between concept and execution. Every decision, from the grandest architectural gesture to the smallest detail, was imbued with a shared understanding of the project's goals. The limited construction budget, rather than being a hindrance, became a catalyst for focused design. Resources were strategically allocated to key spaces and experiences, allowing other areas to remain more understated, a testament to the power of intentionality. This shared clarity of purpose fostered an economy of communication, leading to an incredibly efficient and harmonious realization of the built work. The result is a home that, while simple in form, is profoundly intentional in its purpose, serving as a serene and beautiful backdrop to the landscape and the rich, fulfilling lifestyle of its inhabitants. It is, in every sense of the word, a true collaboration.